What's up, you guys? Today in this video I'll be upgrading my RAM in my laptop. I had all the specs, tricked out toward photo editing, but now because I'm doing photo editing or video editing with doing the YouTube videos and stuff now, I need more RAM. So that's why I bought another 8 gigabytes of RAM, because my laptop came with one stick of 8 in it. And now, I've bought another stick of 8 to make it 16 gigabytes because DaVinci Resolve requires to run properly 16 gigabytes of RAM or more. And yeah, it was running a little slow, so that's why I'm upgrading my laptop with RAM in this video. There are many different ways for you to check what kind of RAM your laptop takes or desktop. One way is by going into your task manager, as you can see here, and clicking on this on the performance tab here, and then you can see down here you've got your specs, your megahertz rating, and then at the top here you can see your what form factor your laptop your device is running. At the top here you see on my laptop it says DDR3, and then down here is the form factor, which is SODIMM, and I used all that. Now I used those specs to purchase this RAM. You could also go to the Crucial website and then go to their buying guide, type in the maker of your machine, your model number, and so on. Click search, and then as you can see here, then it'll pull up the different RAM that your laptop or computer will take. And I'll put a link in the description to that website, or you can actually search the numbers on the RAM itself if you have your laptop open, and you can see that what kind of RAM your laptop takes that way. And yeah, let's enough talking. Let's dive right into it now. All right, so I got my laptop flipped over. Let's go over a few things first. I'll start by opening this up. All right, my laptop requires DDR3 RAM. Here we are. See, it says 8 gigabytes. I don't know if you can read that or not. PC3L, well, also known as GDR3L, which would be DDR3 RAM. And then this is your data rating. And then, well, those are basically the numbers that I'm going to go into right now. Anyway, yeah, moving on. All right, so now let me take the back off my laptop. All right, so I've done that. Now before, I continue, I have this disclaimer in here. Anything you do, you do at your own risk, stuff like that, blah, blah, you've heard it before. Anyway, I'll start by taking the battery out. This is just some safety precautions here. And then discharging the system as best as possible. I've removed the battery, and now I'm clicking the power button to get the excess power out of the system. I don't know if you have to deal with ESD or electrostatic discharge is a thing with your RAM installation, but I'm just taking these precautions anyway. Electrostatic discharge is static electricity, basically. And static electricity can harm your computer if you can short out components on your motherboard. But not to scare you or anything. As you'll see, the RAM install is really simple and easy to do. There's so many clips in this thing, it's hard to take off. Okay, oh. Okay, that would explain it. I wasn't paying attention. Make sure you have all of your screws removed. All right. Now, as you can see, here we go. These are the two RAM slots in my computer. And the way you take it out, you just move those two and pull the two arms back, and then they pop out, and you can remove it. And as you can see, the specs match up identically, which I did that on purpose because they're both 8GB cards, PCL3 or PC3L, 12800S. Anyway, yeah. And now I will go ahead and reinstall this RAM card in this slot, and then make sure it's all the way in. Yep, okay. And you see there's the click. And now the second one, click. And that's it for the RAM install. And then I'll just put everything back on and catch you guys for the outro. All right, you guys, now that I've installed the RAM, let's dig into the computer and see what's changed. So let's get into it. Okay, this is different. Okay, I'll show you guys the screen now. Okay, let's see. It says invalid configuration information. Please run setup program. Time of day not set. Please run setup program. Alert. The amount of system memory has changed. All these things are, yeah, we know that. It's not necessarily a bad thing. So we're gonna keep going. It says to continue, press F1 key. To change setup option, press F2. To run onboard diagnostics, press 5. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna try F1. I've never done this before, so it's new. We'll see what happens. Okay, this is good. And it just blacked out. Coming back in. I'm not worried. Sorry about this, you guys. I mean, I can't run the capture software right now because the laptop's booting up, so this is the best that I can do. And while we're waiting on that, yeah, my laptop, the maximum RAM that I could put in this particular machine is 16GB, so I maxed it out at 16GB. You have to make sure you stay with within the manufacturer specified RAM, a maximum amount of RAM, because yeah. That's the research I've done. You know, it says, you know, you can go past that, but after that, you know, it'll just use that amount, so you just be wasting money. Okay, it seems like we're back, so I'll switch back and let you guys see the screen. Okay. Alright, so this is all good sign. I'm gonna log in and now catch you guys on the capture software. Here we go, I got the laptop booted up. You know, now let's get into it. To view how much RAM you have installed on your computer, you know, just like in the very basic way, most basic way possible, right click on your Windows Start button and then click System, and now you can see how much RAM you have installed. Alright, but if you want to get deeper into it and see like the specs and stuff and how it's performing and all that, you click Control-Shift-Escape, and now go to Performance, and you can see now I have 16 gigabytes of RAM installed. The type of it is DDR3, that's the generation, yeah, now it says 2 of 2 slots used. As you can see before, this is my laptop had 8 gigabytes of RAM, and now you see it has 16 gigabytes of RAM because I put another 8 in it, and everything else checks out and everything else looks normal. Yeah, this says 2 of 2 slots used instead of 1 of 2 slots used. Oh, cool. Check that out. And it has both, and it shows you what's in each slot. And since they're identical, they both show up the same megahertz rating and how much gigabytes. Anyway, yep. And then here's the form factor and everything like that. And yeah, so I can call this a successful install. And now I'll catch you guys on the outro. And that's that right there, you guys. So as you saw, that everything went as according to plan. Didn't see some of that stuff coming there, but you know, again, my first time updating my RAM. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't, you know, worried about it. I mean, it's not hard to do. So, you know, I can do it myself. One last thing you have to do is go and take your laptop in to the repair shop for. All good things. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this more or less short video of me upgrading my RAM and my laptop. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.